Today we're gonna be opening box from BD Diesel. Picked this box up. They're about 15-minute drive east from here. This is the BD dual Xtrude trans cooler that I'm going to be running on my transmission in my race truck. So here you can see that it's packed quite tight with this steel air foam. Don't need that. So here you can see right away, big cooler. So here you can see after removing the foam, here's your transmission hose. This is 1/2-inch line. Pretty sure that's the right line. No fittings on it yet, so I'm assuming it's cut to size. Let's start with the boring parts. Here's a pretty nice wiring harness, factory looking plugs. Assuming this goes into your transmission wiring somehow to trigger it. Also comes with instructions, which we're gonna actually follow for once. Here's transmission line fittings and hose fittings, some sort of sensor. Maybe it has its own sensor for the temperature. All right. And here's the magic parts. This is the cooler section of it. So it's a double cooler, as you can see. As it says in the description, stacked cooler. It also comes with these mounting kits. If you don't see where it mounts, it doesn't really matter. There's lots of spots to mount these under the truck frame rail, like this, and then you run your cooler lines from here to your transmission. There should be an in and an out. I don't know if it matters, but yeah. All right, guys. That's the BD transmission cooler with the mounts, wiring harness, and all the other hardware for mounting it up. So guys, this is going on my regular cab short box race truck. Should keep the transmission nice and cool. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with the transmission yet. Haven't completely made up my mind about that. There might be other options out there that are not even an Allison, but the cheapest option I have so far is swapping the Allison transmission from my LMM diesel into my LBZ regular cab, and because that one has been built by SDP diesel to handle around 850 horsepower. So we'll see what happens with that, and once I decide, I'll let you guys know. So guys, that was the opening of the box for the BD Diesel dual Xtrude transmission cooler. I'll get this video out for you. This is a pretty short video. I'm going to Ontario for a week to go have some fun in the snow and visit some family. So there will be a week between this upload and the next one, at least. So hope you subscribe, like the video down below, and follow the build on the race truck. Lots more parts coming.
Yeah.